Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Bob Desmond. Let's do a review of our swing trade, actually day trade of CYBR, CYBR software. It's in the internet security space. This is one of my favorite, along with FireEye, FEYE. But I selected CYBR due to the fact that I love the volatility and it's best of breed. It's got great fundamentals. Granted, it's expensive on a forward-looking basis, but good fundamentals nonetheless. So I was watching the stock for quite some time, and it was in a pennant formation, and had planned on buying it as a longer-term investment on a breakout above the upper band of this pennant formation, especially in light of the news that was coming out of the Sony hacking scandal with the North Koreans. But oddly enough, news that should have helped the stock didn't, and that's a tell. So the stock broke down below the lower band of its pennant formation. So we continued to watch it, looking for signs of strength. And then on the 6th, I noted that it was beginning to test prior support seen back on the 12th of December. So we decided to take a closer look to see how it was setting up on an intraday basis. Let's go to a 30-minute chart. And here you have it. The stock had sold off on the 5th, entered a consolidation phase with 36.42 being a support level. And what I found interesting was that we flashed a spinning top. And for those that are not familiar with candlestick charting, a spinning top is very similar to a doji star formation. Basically, it's a sign of indecision between bulls and bears, and an indicator that the trend, which was most recently down, might soon reverse, and that means that the path of least resistance would change in favor longs. Now, what I couldn't help but observe is that we continue to make lower highs. Topping tails on top of candlesticks are never good when you're looking to get long. However, despite the fact that we were making lower highs, we weren't making lower lows. That makes for a great setup. So we decided to draw a trend line down and then buy on a breakout above the upper band of resistance. And that's what happened on the 6th. We entered at $36.80. We enjoyed the rally up and into $37.88, where we knew that there were sellers looking to get made whole. So we decided that rather than hold out for the top dollar on the stock, that we would book profits quickly. It was a day trade. We made almost 3% on the day. So a very, very nice return. And then sure enough, in the final half hour of trade, they took the stock down. So we were happy with where we got out. Now, granted, yes, a couple of my members, they held on and they ribbed me a little bit because they held on and even made more money than what I did. And that's, you know what, I could take that type of ribbing all day long. I enjoyed the heck out of it. I'm glad they made more money than me. So that's the value they get out of the service. So if you get any value out of these videos, please enter your email address. You'll get notified of when I put together my post-swing trade review videos. And that's, again, where we recap a prior trade, and sometimes it's a loss. You learn from your losses, and you also get notified of our best stock picks, and those are the stocks that we're watching into the coming week. And if you're watching this on YouTube, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, or if you're watching this on Twitter or StockTwits, please follow me. Have a profitable trading week, and I'll talk to you soon.